Well, today in the shop, what we're doing is we're taking this V6 bumper cover here. I've got it all scuffed up real good. Still got to wipe it down. We're putting dual tip exhaust on the car. So we're going to be cutting a lot of this junk right here out. And going over here, we're going to be putting this right here on. This is the Shelby GT500 from Icon Motorsports, just like we got the hood and front fascia there. So we're going to put some paint on this thing and we'll see how it looks once the paint's on there. The first thing we're doing is using some sealer here. We're going to be laying down a sealer over that primer that we blocked out. Then we're going to be going with the base. Alright, what's up everybody? I figured I'd go ahead and stick my cell phone up there on top of the little stand, little wonky stand. Now what I have here, this is the rear fascia for 2013 Ford Mustang. I'm going to be laying down some sealer all over the whole surface, and then once that sealer's on there, that'll help when I paint to adhere to it, tank into it, and dry better, and just give it overall quality. Plus any little imperfections, it'll help build those imperfections up so that it doesn't show up in my face. Oh, let's start doing some shooting. Okay, well I'm back, and if you haven't noticed, I'm using a Harbor Freight paint gun. Yeah, I've got 4, 5, 6, 7, $800 paint guns, but why use them? This right here does just good. So I'm just putting a light coat on there right now, just to get it to cover all the sealers that I've sprayed. I'm not really worried about painting much on this back bottom side, mainly because it's all going to get cut off anyway. So I mean, like I gotta do a real good job on it. I'm still painting it, but it's all gonna get cut off. So I'm spraying all them more hard to reach places first. All this inner license plate piece here, it gets covered up with one of them plastic Speedo red ones or something. I ain't really worried about it. Clear. Okay, well, I got some clear mixed up. So now, shoot that sucker with some clear. I know when I'm done with these right here, I know I got to rest for work. But I'm going to go with Captain D's. Give me a gallon of sweet tea. think I earned it. I'm going to go ahead and shoot the rest of this right here in probably three more coats, heavier coats. And once it's finished, we're going to go ahead. Let's go ahead and do a walk around right now because the bumper is now finished. Here we have the finished product. It's all been cleared. Looks really nice. It turned out good. Hopefully the heat won't cause the clear to shrink in too fast, and it'll still stay this shiny, and I'll be able to easily just run over it with water sandpaper. Look right there, 1194 video, and that'll be it. But the next video we're going to be doing on this bumper is putting the GT500 rear lower, the Icon Motorsports Shelby GT500 lower valence on that bumper. But go ahead, subscribe, like, comment, share. This is all done with my cell phone. Hopefully it turns out good. But till then, guys, check out my other videos, my playlist, and share it with your friends. But thanks for watching.